So welcome to room 6008 at the Barcelo Bavaro Beach Resort, and come on in. So when you first walk in, we have a wall of mirrors that are here. This particular mirror is where you've got the safe, hanging closet, some towels, and some slippers that are available. And on this side, we've got some bathrobes, more hanging space, and there's a chest of drawers. Over to this area, you've got a double vanity, so there's a sink there, and then in here you have the separate tub, shower combo, and toilet. Coming through here is the bedroom, so there is a chest of drawers and you can set your suitcase there. This particular room has the largest king-size bed I have ever seen. As you can see, it takes up the majority of the wall over there. On this side, we've got a desk chair. Here is the little stand, and underneath here is the mini bar, and there's some snacks in there as well. Over here we have a seating area for two. And then over here is our beautiful view of the ocean. So we do have an ocean view, although it's mostly garden, but there is an ocean view. So that's our quick room tour of the Barcelo Bavaro Beach Resort Hotel.